Okay, hey, we just wrapped up transcription. All right. In transcription, we took DNA and we took a gene that was on DNA, and then we used transcription to transfer that gene onto a strand of messenger RNA. Remember, this is going to be big because DNA does not leave the nucleus. So messenger RNA can leave the nucleus and can get out and take this gene to our protein factories, the ribosomes, where we are going to use that information to directly build a protein for the cell. That is what we're doing today with translation. All right, so today's notes are just about translation. And like I was saying, it is about taking that strand of RNA and converting it into a protein. So step one is again, that's exactly what I just told you, is it is going to take the message on mRNA and convert it into an amino acid. That is our goal. If you look over to the right, that little thing that it's happening in is the ribosome. Those individual amino acids that are formed are going to hook together in a specific order and shape to form a specific protein. Okay. So if we have different amino acids along the way, then it's going to build a different protein along the way. Right? Just like we've been talking about with Legos. If you add different Legos in, you're going to build a slightly different structure. Same thing here. Once again, proteins, they're a wide use force for proteins, whether they're hair, enzymes, skin, muscles, all the above, are all forms of protein in there. So that is a look at translation. Like I said, it can be more complicated than that, but I like to keep it very straightforward, very simple. Um, the biggest thing that we're going to have to know for this is that which amino acids are being used. All right, we're going to be using codon charts for the rest of the way out, and they are going to help us out with which amino acid to use where as we're going. Here's a look at a codon chart. I'll be sharing something similar with you all. Um, like I said, how it would work is that particular three set of letters you have on the RNA, you'll look that up in the chart and you'll figure out which amino acid it codes for. If you notice, there's some interesting ones on here. Okay, we have a start codon. All right, so in reality, every gene in your body starts with this start codon, and then it stops at one of these three codons there. All right, that'll be important. We'll talk a little bit later about how why that might matter to us later on as we're going through things here. So there is translation. Um, Basically, what we need to do with that today is just practice. I get used to practicing with it, and I'm feeling confident with how that works there. So I'm gonna stop sharing and enjoy the rest of the day.